Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I tell you the story of the owl's lesson. In the heart of the whispering woods stood an ancient oak tree. Its branches sprawling like open arms, nestled within its highest boughs, lived Oliver, a wise old owl known throughout the forest for his vast knowledge and gentle demeanor. Oliver wasn't always wise. In his youth, he was curious and eager, always asking questions and seeking answers. Over the years, his relentless pursuit of knowledge transformed him into the sage of the forest. Animals from all corners would come to him, seeking advice on various matters. One crisp autumn morning, a young squirrel named Sammy approached Oliver. "Mr. Owl," he began hesitantly, "I've heard tales of your wisdom. I wish to learn and be wise like you." Oliver's eyes twinkled.
"Wisdom comes from a thirst for knowledge and the patience to seek it," he replied. "Are you prepared for the journey?" Sammy nodded eagerly. "Very well," said Oliver. "Your first lesson is to observe. Spend the day watching the forest. Return by nightfall and share what you've learned." Sammy scampered off, spending the day observing the rustling leaves, the pattern of the birds, and the flow of the stream. As night fell, he returned to Oliver, sharing his observations. "Excellent," Oliver praised. "Observation is the first step to understanding." Days turned into weeks, and under Oliver's guidance, Sammy learned to listen, ask questions, and seek answers. He discovered the medicinal properties of certain plants, the migratory patterns of birds, and the importance of every creature in the ecosystem. One day, a sudden drought struck the forest. The streams dried up, and food became scarce. Panic spread among the animals. Remembering Oliver's teachings, Sammy stepped forward. "We must use our knowledge to survive," he declared. He ordered groups to search for water sources, identified edible plants, and suggested rationing food. Thanks to Sammy's leadership and the wisdom he had acquired, the forest community endured the drought. When the rain finally returned, the animals gathered to celebrate. Oliver addressed the assembly. "Let this be a lesson to all. Knowledge isn't just about knowing facts, it's about applying what you know for the greater good. Remember, knowledge is power." So, the moral of the story is that knowledge is power. By seeking wisdom and understanding, we equip ourselves to face challenges and help others.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know what part of the story spoke to you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one with another twist, another tale, and another truth. Bye bye, see you very soon.